something high in protein and nourishing. Let's make something So it is now 8:15 and I'm just sitting down and having my almond milk pumpkin spice latte. I am gonna do some computer work and then probably go to the gym and then come back, recipe test, and see where the rest of the day takes us. I am now all ready for the gym and I have my pre-workout snack. I usually like something that's light, quick digesting carbs. Will just like give me some fuel, and then I have like a quarter of an energy drink. I try not to drink more than half of an energy drink at a time. It's a rice cake with PB Fit and then banana, honey, and some flaky sea salt. So good. So I just got back from the gym. I am starving as usual. I have a new lunch hyperfixation, which is Costco rotisserie chicken, which is so good, on rice cakes with some avocado, and then I top it with this Japanese barbecue sauce, which is so good, and then pickled ginger, and I got this from Costco and I've been eating it like every day. It's so good. It's a little bit of a lighter lunch. It's definitely high in protein, but I honestly love the rice cakes for the crunch. It just hits different than just a piece of toast. So it's a little bit lighter, so I anticipate I'll probably have some kind of afternoon snack or something, but I am so excited. It just tastes so good and it's so easy to make. It is much later now. It is now dinner time, and I actually recipe tested a coconut curry beef stew today, and it's really yummy, so we're gonna have that for dinner. It's definitely not where I want it to be, so I think I need to test it again before I post the recipe, but I'm gonna enjoy that for dinner. It's definitely really comforting and perfect for just like a colder day. I think it's 62, which is actually still decently warm, but